guys. While you're watching this video, I will teach you how to make a go everywhere double-decker foam shelf. What you need is to carve a piece like this. Find any type of box that will have an entrance anywhere, but you only need one entrance. What you do is you'll take something like this, a foam wood. You can even make a wood one, but I'm just using a foam so I can make the holes a lot easier so I can place my objects in. The middle we will be using, but you're going to need some wood, but I'll let y'all figure out how y'all would like to do that. Okay? First object, you will take your ice pick or whatever, something that goes into a drill or something that you can hammer, something like that. And you'll look for anywhere a good spot to put it. Stick it inside that spot, like I have. Next, get any type of screw. I mean, you can get like a whole bunch and place them all over the place, but I can't find a lot of screws, so that's small. Next, you can take any type of small pin or a pin like this, but I just have two for backups. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the pointy part to make the hole, but if it's too hard, use this.
Move that trash can so it can.
Okay, next, but I'm lifting it up like that. Okay, next, you're gonna take this. Okay, you already have the hole. Try not to dig it into the side. Then you'll put it with the pointy part facing up or down. But I make it be face down for safety. And plus it will run all the ink to the bottom so you can write a lot better. And plus the ink won't fall out because it's like blocking. Next, you'll take a PVC pipe and stick it right in between it. If you have a marker, you may mark the PVC. But all what I'm going to do is I'm going to put wood around it so it will be a double decker like it will be once I get it fully fixed. But I will not have it fully fixed in the store. Now, next, if you have like something that would go on a dart or anything that can screw to anything, stick it wherever you would please. Okay, next you're going to take any type of BBs, stick them in any type of container. I have these silver BBs, so it'll be a lot easier to load and shoot and stuff. Take a penny, put it in to the whole piece. I'm gonna like put somewhere where you can lift it open. It'll stop right here, and then you can just lift it open, and then there will be a hole exactly like this, but right there for the double deck, for the top deck. Just like put any money or change or coins or things to keep in your thing. Take a key ring and put it into your box. Since I don't want to lose my key ring, I will put it around this. the handle. No, I don't call it a handle. I just call it the support beam to keep it like I use it as a handle, and you can also use it as a support beam to keep, so whenever you put the thing up and you don't have any screws anywhere, then that will be your support beam. And you can also keep it here, and then you could probably like stick something through it and just like use that there, and then like take any Lego door thing or wood and stick right here. Okay, next you would probably want to have this to like keep rope or anything like that. I'm trying to find a good spot to put this.
Where is it? Put it in the bucket. You gonna go through your ring?
Yeah, it will, but never mind. Take 2 pins, any size. And this is what I was talking about. You can stick them through there. Or you can probably just stick one that will actually work. Just stick it through there. Just stick it through the PVC pipe and then just do that. If you would like to hide anything else in there, then you can. Take 2 candles. One of my candles is over there. Take 8 of the little wire things, so you have backup for if a wire breaks or if you're trying to do a test and the wire breaks. Take any type of chapstick, throw it in there. Take any type of screw and put it through the side. So, that's a good spot to put it. And hang anything you'll please on it. And thanks for watching the tutorial. If you're a little small, like age 9, 10, or any age, even if you're an adult, you can even do this right here. And thanks for watching. Please leave likes and comments. Bye.